guys, this is Cynthia from Keychron team, and so nice to get back to you. And today I received the keyboard and the armrest and the keycap set from our factory. So I'm doing the unboxing video for you. Let's start from the Keychron key 4. So this is the box you're gonna receive in the end. And here's the back. Got some descriptions about the K4, and let's just open it. So after you open the box, there is a quick start guide for you. Actually, in the back, you will see some instructions about all the essential shortcut keys, like telling you how to connect to Bluetooth and also sleeping mode, and switch between multimedia keys and F function keys, that kind of stuff. You can check it out. And also these are the accessories. The Friday keyboard, as we have promised to you that this is one of our stretch goals. The keycap set, including the orange light bound keycaps, and also the other keycaps for you to switch to Windows functions. And keycap cooler. Here is our keyboard, your keyboard. The version I get from the factory is actually the aluminium version. This one is the Get One Switch RGB aluminium frame, and with the red switch on it. As you can see that it is 96% layout with the number pad here. We know that for some of your jobs that you really need this function, so we created Kit 4 for you. It supports different systems, including MacBook and Windows system, and also your smartphone and in Linux as well. We got 2 switch buttons here. The one here is for you to switch between different systems. You can switch between Windows and Mac. And for this one, you know that our keyboard is actually wireless, but you can also use the wired mode after you're connecting the cable to the keyboard. So you also have to switch between wired and wireless mode. And also, on the back, there is the ergonomic kickstand for you to get a better typing experience. If you come from our Kickstarter campaign, that you know we got 2 switch options for you. One is the Get One switch I have mentioned before, and the other one is the optical switch. For this one is the red switch, and later on I will show you the typing test with it. Firstly, I'm going to show you the RGB backlight. Turn it on. You can click here to switch between different modes. Now I'm going to show you how to connect to the Bluetooth. So FN and then this number. Did you see the flashlight here? This is the Bluetooth indicator for you. Then it is pairing up with all the devices you are going to connect. And you can also connect to another 2 devices by pressing FN+2 and +3. And when you switch it, you can just press this one, and then it switched to the devices accordingly. And this is the red switch. I'm going to show you how to. I'm going to connect to my laptop first.
Yes. Connect. Okay.
This is the Keychron mechanical keyboard. It works fine with my laptop. As we said before, there is also a palm rest for this,
Which is crafted from the American walnut wood.
it is perfectly compatible with your Keyboard. Here it is. And from the lens and the height, actually feeling much better with the palm rest.
Have the keycap set here.
This is the color scheme for your K4 keycap set. This is aluminium version color scheme. So if you wanted to make it whole gray, then you can put up all the brown keycaps from your K4 keyboard and then replace with all the gray keycaps from your keycap set. After doing this, you will have a totally gray keycaps for your K4 keyboard. And thanks for watching. For the next video, we will introduce the differences between the optical switch and the gathering switch, and we will doing a typing test for this. So see you next week.